It's suspension! I bought 2 more fakes. That is a waste of money. Wait lang. Wait. Let's rip one. If it is fake. Bro, it's fake! That is a waste of money. That is $10 each. Yeah. Bro, alam mo bakit ako ganyan? Kasi Pilipino ako. Diba? Oh! Kahit fake siya kasi meron pa rin siyang ano. This is $5, bro. Oh! $15. What the frick? I'm not gonna show them to you. See? Another $15. Wait, are they all the same? They are all the same! Did I just get scammed, bro? They are all the same. I just got scammed. Bro, there's nothing to it. Don't buy this. Buy Pokemon cards instead. Peace.